Come on in, guys. This is a beautiful, oh my gosh, beautiful Sunday morning here in the garden. So beautiful. Yes, you're going to be hearing my pool going, but that's okay. I want to show you guys these seeds. Yes, let me pour this out into my hands. And as I pour this out into the palm of my hand, these seeds have no weight. These seeds, they could be dead. Some of them could be dead. Some of them could be alive. Yeah, but some of them could be dead. You know, so when I think about these seeds in the palm of my hand, what I'm going to do today to show you, I am going to take one and I'm going to plant it into the soil right here, to the spot. Yes, I'm gonna water it. Yes, I'm gonna give it some sun. Yes, and I'm gonna wait and see what is gonna happen with it. But that is how much I can do, right? When I plant these seeds. Yes. So today we are gonna do that. So let's do that right now. So I'm gonna plant these seeds right here. It's one today with you guys so you can see. And we're gonna see what's gonna happen. And I know I did my part. But we're gonna see what God is gonna do. Yes. Look at this. I had planted I put seeds in every one of this tree. Seeds, yes. And guess what? Only one came up. I water them. I give them sun. I wait on them. And you know what? Only one seed lived. Yes. So this tells me, right? When I did my part. So what is this telling me? It's telling me, Deborah, yes, you did your part, but God has to do his part too. Because this seed has to open, right? And the shoot has to come up and open out to the sun, to the sunlight. Yes, right? I cannot do that. It's only one person could do that, guys. Yeah. Yes, so you know Jesus talks a lot about seeds in the Bible. Yes. You know, that seed have to be buried, right? It has to open. It have to change form. Yes, it does, right? And you know what? As I said, I had put all of this had seeds in here, and only one lived, right? Only one. So as I did what I needed to do for these seeds to grow, right? But only one grows. So it's up to God. So sometimes when you plant a seed for yourself, or you put something down that you say you would love to see it happen, but it didn't, that's okay. Because you know what too? That could be the beginning of your start. Yes, sometimes God let things in our life get buried. Yes, but even though it got buried, that may just be the start. All right? So you hang in there. That doesn't mean it's the end. It means the start. And look at this beautiful one. This was just a little seed, right? And I was just so worried this is not going to grow. But I leave it up to God to open it, to change it, to make it into a form. Look at the form. And now this seed is going to bring me beautiful okras, right? So sometimes we just have to wait, because I didn't want it to wait. I was like, what is going to happen? Is this going to grow or not? It's just like these. Maybe they might grow, maybe not. But we have to wait in life, guys. Some of us don't know how to wait. Waiting is very important. And another thing too, we have to learn to listen. Yes. Learn to listen and learn to wait. So listen, guys, you guys have a beautiful Sunday morning, a beautiful week, a matter of fact. Have a beautiful week, and I will see you guys again and again and again. So hey, if you haven't subscribed to my group, subscribe right there. It is a beautiful group about faith and gardening. And have a blessed day.